Hello everybody, welcome to Year 1 Phonics. Today we're going to have a look at the letter U, making the U sound when it's on its own in words. Some of these words are quite tricky, so remember, if you don't know what they mean, ask a grown-up. So let's have a look. Unit, unit. Tube, tube. That's a musical instrument. D-U-T-E, duty. Can you see the letter Y there, making the E sound? That often happens on the end of words. Music, music. Unite, unite. Human, human. Stupid, stupid. Future, future. And the last one, unicorn, unicorn. So that's all of the words for today. If you like a sentence, your sentence is, I like music and I can play the tuba. I like music and I can play the tuba. Don't forget to have a look on our home learning page for extra games and activities that have got the U sound in them. Bye for now.